Shelder, Helix Fossil, Slowpoke, Magmar, Protective Goggles, Arcanine, Tentacruel, Dratini, oh, Alternate Art, Nidoking, nice, Gengar, Kakuna, Poliwag, Ponyta, Clefable, Tentacruel, Hitmonlee, Machop, Victreebel, Arbok EX. Yeah, I know. I feel like this one's been a little bit better.
But yeah, it's hard to beat the Charizard.
Tangela, Coughing, Ekans, Psyduck, Charmeleon, Parasect, Cloyster, Farfetch'd, Poliwrath. Oh, that's kind of a cool Ditto. I don't know what I'm looking at, a bunch of moldy lettuce or something with their basic energy. Key, Oddish, Meowth, Execute, Primeape, Fearow, Onix, Arcanine, Weedle, and Beedrill. Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Giovanni's Charisma, Rhydon, Rigid Band, Bulbasaur, Leftovers, and Electrode. Clefairy, Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Dragonair, Seadra, Kabuto, Abra, Aerodactyl, Jinx EX. Charmander, Spearow, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Nidoqueen, Victreebel, Big Air Balloon, Jolteon, Machoke, Full Art Daisy's Help. Growlithe, Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Raticate, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Snorlax, Bulbasaur, Alternate Art. Oh, that's kind of cool. Moltres. Oh, there's something in here. Something really nice looking on the edge there. Oddish, Meowth, Execute, Clefairy, Hitmonchan, Seaking, Butterfree, Nidoking. Oh. Basic Energy Reverse Rare. Or no, I mean Secret Rare. And a Wigglytuff EX.
Nice.
Alright, we need some sleeves.
Usually there's a couple to kind of like...
Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen, Weepinbell, Graveler, Arcanine, Kingler, Geodude, Psyduck, Charizard EX.
Nice.
What's it look like?
It's not the flying one.
But still, pretty cool. Last but not least.
Charmander, Spearow, Rhyhorn, Magikarp, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, Golbat, Raticate. Oh, Mr. Mime, Alternate Art. That's pretty cool.
Pretty.
And Flareon. Oh, there's something in here. Something really nice looking on the edge there. Oddish, Meowth, Execute, Clefairy, Hitmonchan, Seaking, Butterfree, Nidoking. Oh. Basic Energy Reverse Rare. Or no, I mean Secret Rare. And a Wigglytuff EX.
Nice.
Alright, we need some sleeves.